Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're talking about the Rakuten Hand 5G, a compact and affordable smartphone available exclusively in Japan. It brings 5G connectivity, a lightweight design, and a solid camera system, all at a budget-friendly price. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. The Rakuten Hand 5G is a small and lightweight smartphone, measuring 138 x 63 by 9.5 mm and weighing just 134 grams. It's perfect for one-handed use, unlike many larger phones on the market. The 5.1-inch AMOLED display has a resolution of 1520 by 720 pixels, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. While it's not full HD, the compact size and AMOLED panel provide a good viewing experience. The Rakuten Hand 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 processor, which is a mid-range chipset that supports 5G connectivity. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is sufficient for everyday tasks like web browsing, social media, and light gaming. However, heavy multitasking or running demanding apps might slow it down. The Rakuten Hand 5G features a dual rear camera setup, consisting of a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This allows for sharp and detailed photos, but it lacks an ultra-wide or telephoto lens. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera, which is great for video calls and taking high-quality selfies. The Rakuten Hand 5G is equipped with a 2630 mAh battery. Given its small display and power-efficient processor, it can last a full day with moderate use. The phone charges via a USB Type-C port, but does not support fast charging, so charging speeds are average. The Rakuten Hand 5G includes an in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for secure unlocking. It supports eSIM technology, meaning you can use Rakuten Mobile or other eSIM providers without needing a physical SIM card. Additionally, the phone is IPX8 water-resistant and IP6X dust-proof, making it more durable than many budget smartphones. The Rakuten Hand 5G is exclusively available in Japan and is often sold through Rakuten Mobile. The price varies depending on promotions, but it is one of the most affordable 5G smartphones in the market. You can check Rakuten Mobile's website for the latest offers. So, is the Rakuten Hand 5G worth buying? If you're looking for a compact, affordable, and 5G compatible smartphone, this is a great choice. It's lightweight, has a good camera, and supports eSIM, making it perfect for those who prefer a minimalist yet modern smartphone. However, if you need a bigger battery, more powerful performance, or expandable storage, you might want to consider other options. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the Rakuten Hand 5G? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next video.